Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back sa Dwantro Vlog starring Papibo. Dwantro Fam, maka-broke down yung nitro cart natin. Nandun siya. Doon. It broke down. Umuulan pa naman. Kakainis eh. Ganyan talagang buhay. So, hindi siya nagsa-start eh. Pumunta ako dito sa park na to. Ngayon, when I tried to restart the car or start the car, hindi siya nag-on eh. Hindi nag-on yung engine. So, patay tayo dyan. Dito ako sa isang parang undercover area sa park. Pero hindi ako naulanan. Pero sige lang, kahit na may mga palaka. Narinig nyo ba? May palaka. Ayun. So, ay nako. Mangingay lang palaka. So ngayon, babalik ako sa car. Try ko siyang i-start ulit. Check natin yung lock natin. Woo! Ulan pa more! Ayun yung nitro cart. Ay, it broke down. Ilang weeks pa lang ako may kotse. Na-breakdown agad. Ay, naman yan.
You're beautiful. You shine like a star. You got me falling slowly. And I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Alam niyo, Dwantro Fam, gusto ko yung ulan. Hindi ako nainis sa ulan. Siyempre, it's kind of annoying to be stuck in the rain, just getting saturated. Pero, masarap yung ulan dito sa Australia kasi, hindi ka magkakasakit. Hindi ka magkaroon ng sakit kung ulanan ka dito sa Australia. Kasi, malinis yung ulan eh. Kasi wala masyadong pollution, hindi siya acid rain. So yun, healthy ang ulan. Char. Okay, eto po siya, Dwantro Fam. Eto.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to Phil Talk today.
Try natin to, guys. I-unlock natin siya with the key. Buksan natin. Okay, let's try and do this again. Eto na. Wala. As in, wala. So annoying. Ba't ganun? Sige na. May ASC service daw na kailangan. Yun yung nakalagay. Pero as in, hindi siya nag-on. Kahit anong ginagawa ko. Patay pa naman kasi nakachinelas lang ako. Kung nakasapatos ako, I could just push the car, no? Try natin, ha? See? ASC system service required. Sinearch ko sa Google. Parang wala na siyang traction. So, ngayon pa lang, tinawagan ko si Papa sa cellphone na to. Pupunta na daw siya dito. Malapit lang naman sa bahay ni Papa yung park na to. This is the park that me and Nasira come to every morning to walk. So, pupunta na siya dito. Titingnan niya yung problema. Magaling si Papa sa mga kotse. Mechanic kasi daw siya dati. Walang daw. Mechanic talaga siya dati. Inis. It sucks when you break down. Okay, dito na siya. Alright, mate. It's not starting at all. Give it a crack. I see it doesn't even lock properly anymore when you press the button. You know, the windows used to turn in when you lock it. It's not doing that now.
Just get a bit flat or something.
Yeah.
Maybe.
We changed the batteries not too long ago, though.
Did you? On both of them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. She's rooted, mate. So, auto electrician, you reckon, Dad?
The old Dan, man.
Then auto sparky. Yeah, see, it's not even opening. I had to press that 1,000 different times before it opened. And now it's not opening. Locked out of the car. Not working. Let's see if it starts. Voila. Flat battery. Yeah? Okay. Needs a new battery, eh? No. I always check that.
A bit dim.
Hey?
So the battery's
That's dim.
dim.
Yeah, okay.
So battery.
It's a battery. Can you jump start a car in the rain again? Okay.
Meanwhile,
That one goes there. Positive on red. Negative on black. So have you got a turn on your engine or not?
Just mine.
No. Okay.
Oh, really?
Okay, here we go. Alright, let's try now. Oh wow, it's not working. That would normally work. What the hell? So it's not the battery. Ah.
I don't know if these cables work.
Yeah. They're pretty rusty. Look at that.
Should be getting spark here and nothing.
What's that box there? You have to charge a battery.
Nah. No, I don't think this cable's really good. You were kicking the guns.
Alright. Here we go. Oh, it worked! Hallelujah! May tagumpay! Sa wakas. Oh, grabe, tingnan nyo. Oh, nagpa-flash yung mga ilaw. Ibig sabihin, low battery. You got it, mate? So I'll drive it straight to Dan's, eh?
Yeah, like, just get in the like, just see if it's the alternator. If it's not the alternator, it's just the old battery.
Okay. Alrighty.
More likely just the old battery.
Yeah. Yep. Ngayon, pupunta na ako sa auto electrician para titingnan niya kung battery ba ang problema or alternator. Okay, Dwantro Fam, tara na! Sana hindi alternator yung problema. Sana battery lang talaga. Okay, so ngayon, we are traveling to the auto electrician. Mahal ata to. Mahal ang bayad sa mechanic ata. Pero tingnan natin. This is a mechanic I've been to before. Medyo mas mura siya compared sa ibang mechanic dito sa Australia.
Hello, baby boy. Hello, baby boy. You standing up, are you? Ha? Naglalakad ka na, baby? Nasira ang kotse ni daddy. Pero sabi ni Lolo, kung anong problema, baby, sa may kotse na tayo. Pinaayos ni daddy sa mekaniko na si Monico. What you doing, baby boy, ha? What you doing? Saan ka papunta? Uy, saan papunta ang baby? Saan papunta ang baby, ha? Oh, you're trying to get the camera. Hawakan mo nga ang camera. Hawakan mo. Yeah, hawakan mo. Ayaw. Ayan, Dwantro Fam. Okay na yung kotse natin. Yung nitro cart. Yes, okay na siya. So, battery lang ang problema. Namatay ang battery. Daming corrosion. Daming battery acid na nagli-leak sa battery na yan. So, ngayon... Oh, hello. He just popped up and played peekaboo, didn't you, baby Nitro? Yes, he did. Oh, yeah. What? What are you doing? What are you doing? Wait, what's the baby doing? Huh? Ooh. What's the baby doing?
So yan guys, ayos na yung car natin. Yes, we can get back to doing our traveling. Di ba, baby? Yes, we can drive anywhere naman. Yeah.
Uy, what you doing, baby? Huh? What's she doing? What's she doing, huh? Saan ka papunta, baby? Huh? Hindi nga, where to go? Who's that? Can you see yourself? Can you see your reflection in it? Huh? Sino yun? Ikaw yun, di ba? Yes, it's the baby. It's the baby of the house.
Oh, you got it! Alright, Dwantro Fam, maraming salamat sa panunood sa video na to. Now, bago natin tatapusin ang video na to, shoutout po natin yung mga golden Dwantro Fam natin. Ito po sila. Shane Ransborg, Tradex General Trading, LLC, Dags Lan and Salty, Haley and Ashley Sisters, Rosel Ruiz Nofki, Regina Cielis Art Shop, Zitrofeld, Da Ramis, Kick Sticks, Swiss Humanity, Conchita Dokot, Jolie Inocencio, Nisi Char, Pinay for Life, the Filipino Fam, the Scotty Fam in Brisbane, the Ramsey Family, DXMT, Christina Arsenio Dunsmuir, Nati Vontien, Tosca Acorda, and Jocelyn Natividad. Guys, thank you so much for watching at kita-kits po sa sunod na video natin. Bye for now. Oh, where are you going, baby? Where are you going? Uy!
You are elegance and freedom, everything to me. Wanna spend my lifetime loving you. I'll be closer than your shadow, closer than you know, if you let me love you. Before, whenever you smile, you got my heart. what you need.